Reggae artist Tanya hosted a listening party for her upcoming album Some Kind of Madness last night at Tracks and Records restaurant in Kingston. The event saw artists, industry players, music lovers and fans out in their numbers in support of Tanya at the specially invited event. Now, Tanya delivered an exceptional performance, giving the audience a taste of what to expect from the project. In an interview with E-Prime, Tanya shared details on the album's name, Some Kind of Madness, which he claims represents authentically her.
I embrace everything about myself, including some of the things that might look like madness. I embrace them, that's me. And I am extremely proud of myself, which means I don't cut off no part. And I try to include as many of the topics that I touch and as many of the things which mean a lot to me on it. And when you put them the things all together, of course there's some kind of madness that.
She also spoke on the lead single Diamonds in the Sun, which features Cedella Marley and Diana King.
And I could not ask for a better collaboration. I swear, there's nobody I can think of, alive or dead, who could possibly make this song as potent as it is, much less better.
The album is produced by Tad's Records and will be released on July 2. Reggae artist TVJ has released the second single dubbed Ancient Stepping from his upcoming summer album. According to TVJ, there is a certain spirit the track carries in the lyrics and delivery that he feels was brought about by the ethereal soundscape of the music, which is almost hypnotic to him.
Things have a way to repeat. Deja vu when you feel it. Open your heart to receive.
The track was released on the heels of his recent journey to Africa, where the Grammy-nominated singer connected with thousands of fans in Ethiopia and Kenya. TVJ also recently performed at Cali Roots in California. The artist is scheduled to take the stage at City Splash in London on May 29, before heading to Philadelphia, Bonnaroo, Manchester and Georgetown, Grand Cayman, among other countries and cities. The curtains have come down on this year's staging of Charles Chocolate Dancing Dynamites. The finale was held at the Ibero Star Suites in Montego Bay and showcased the finalists vying for the coveted title as well as cash prizes. At the end of the night, the Dancer Strike team came out as this year's winners, with Flavor X placing second. Jenny was excited about this year's competition and the support it has received for the final show.
What a fantastic season we have had of the Charles Chocolate's Dancing Dynamites competition, and we want to say big thanks in a very big special way to the RGR Gleaner Communications Group. We're talking about Television Jamaica for allowing us to showcase what is definitely ours. We are the dance capital of the world.
The Charles Chocolate Dancing Dynamite was held under the theme Out and Stuntin'. I'm Deidre Gordon reporting for E-Prime. Be safe.